Bird performance in commercial poultry production is often significantly impacted by intestinal parasites of the Eimeria family. These cause coccidiosis, a very common disease in poultry, leading to avoidable financial losses for producers. The infection starts with the chicken ingesting sporulated Eimeria oocysts. This ubiquitous parasite can be found in feed, in water, and in the litter. In fact, everywhere in the poultry house, as well as in the surrounding environment. The main part of the parasite's life cycle takes place in the intestinal tract of the infected bird over a period of 4 to 7 days. A sporulated oocyst contains 4 sporocysts. Mechanical action in the gizzard of the bird releases the sporocysts. Later, in the duodenum, enzymatic action releases 2 sporozoites from every sporocyst. The mobile sporozoites then invade the epithelial cells of the intestinal wall. Once inside the cell, the sporozoite undergoes various changes. In the end, the epithelial cell bursts, and hundreds of newly formed merozoites reach the intestinal lumen. These now invade neighboring epithelial cells, and the whole process of asexual multiplication is repeated 2 to 4 times. The Eimeria life cycle is then concluded with a sexual reproduction stage, beginning with the formation of male microgametes and female macrogametes. The final stage of the parasite's life cycle produces large numbers of new Eimeria oocysts that are discharged with the feces into the external environment. In the warm, moist litter of the chicken house, the oocysts can mature and sporulate, a crucial stage in the parasitic cycle. Sporulation makes the Eimeria oocysts infective. They can then be ingested by other birds of the same or the next flock. Sporulated oocysts of the Eimeria family cause coccidiosis, associated with damage to the intestinal epithelial cells. Eimeria acervulina damages the tips of the villi. It occurs in high numbers in the upper intestine, where the nutrients are broken up. Eimeria maxima occurs in the middle intestine, critical to nutrient absorption, and causes deeper-reaching damage to the villi. This can result in significant impact on weight and feed conversion. In the ceca of the affected bird, Eimeria tenella causes massive cell damage and hemorrhage that can result in death. Through repeated exposure to the Eimeria species reproducing inside the birds, immunity to coccidiosis develops in the flock. Some species reproduce in high numbers and therefore induce immunity quickly. Others with a lower reproductive rate can take longer. Immunity to one species does not cross-protect against the others.